Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Webflow CMS collections for dynamic landing pages, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Webflow CMS collections for dynamic landing pages, begin by logging into your Webflow account. Select the project in which you want to create dynamic landing pages. Navigate to the CMS section from the dashboard. Click on the Add Collection button. Enter a name for your collection relevant to your content. Define the fields for your collection, such as text fields, images, or links. Save your collection once you have added all necessary fields. Next, go to the Pages panel in your Webflow project. Click on the Add New Page button. Select Collection Page from the options presented. Choose the specific collection you just created. This will generate a dynamic template based on the collection items. Design your dynamic page using the Webflow Designer. Drag and drop elements, binding them to the fields in your collection. For example, use a heading for your collection item's title. Add a text block for the content you want to display. Include images or videos by connecting them to the appropriate fields. Adjust the layout and styling to match your brand. Once satisfied with your design, save your changes. Publish your site to make the dynamic landing pages live. Test the pages by navigating through your website's URLs. Verify that each landing page displays the correct collection item. To further enhance your pages, consider adding custom categories or tags. Utilize Webflow's interactive elements to make your landing pages engaging. Monitor performance and analytics to assess the effectiveness of your dynamic landing pages. Continue to update your CMS collection with new items regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.